Hi guys, good morning. It's podcast shoot day today, so all of this is my makeup saman. Quickly, we need to first moisturize. I'm using a Soft Sense Baby Moisturizer. All the products used will be linked in the description below. It's absolutely essential to moisturize and prep your skin before applying makeup. Now, this is a strobe cream. It also acts as a primer and it gives a glow underneath my foundation. This one's from Dot & Key. Next, we use the concealer. I like Ruby's Organics because they have clean products free from phthalates, parabens, silicones, cross polymers. So I apply the concealer under my dark circles, over my dark circles, and whatever few pigmented areas which are there, my acne. Next, I'll use a color corrector. This color corrector is from Insight. Little difficulty while opening, but you see the orange color that is there in the center? Yeah, that helps lighten the dark circles actually according to color theory. So we mix the orange color and the concealer. I usually like to use my fingers to spread the product across the face because I feel it conforms better on my face that way. I feel fingers are more useful than brushes, but to each his own, and some products actually require brushes than fingers. So dab the product onto the skin. You see how the dark circles are slowly lightening thanks to the color corrector. I have bad dark circles. मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स जल्दी से मानते नहीं हैं, इसलिए थोड़ा सा और कंसीलर लगा देंगे एंड रिपीट. अब एक चीज़ यहाँ पे बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अगर आपका फाउंडेशन विच इज़ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ वाटर बेस्ड फाउंडेशन, देन योर प्राइमर शुड ऑल्सो बी वाटर बेस्ड एंड नॉट सिलिकॉन बेस्ड. यानी कि आपका स्किन बहुत ऑयली नहीं रहना चाहिए फाउंडेशन के पहले. तो अलाउ द मॉइस्चराइजर द प्राइमर टू फुल्ली सेट इफ एट ऑल इट इज सिलिकॉन बेस्ड एंड देन अप्लाई द फाउंडेशन. नहीं तो क्या होगा कि फाउंडेशन विल स्टार्ट पीलिंग, वो वाइटिश स्टफ दिखेगा चेहरे पे जो कि बहुत इकी दिखता है. इट डजंट लुक प्रोफेशनल. So here I'm again using the Ruby's Organic Skin Tint Foundation. This is not a promotional video, but I really like clean makeup products, whether they are expensive or not. Now, यहाँ पे मैंने mistake की थी कि I didn't allow my primer to fully set before applying the foundation. Because this is a water-based foundation. I don't have a water-based primer yet. So I'll buy that next. Foundation also, usually I use a brush or my fingers, whatever feels quick. Now again, it's always better to dab the product on the skin rather than spread it too much like what I'm doing, because of which the product was peeling a little. वो white cast आ रहा था, तो मुझे एक मेकअप स्पंज लेना पड़ा जिसको वेट करके जो एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट है, जो पील्ड प्रोडक्ट है, उसको निकालना पड़ा. And then I was good to go. भूख लग गई, थेपला ब्रेक ले लिया, and then back to makeup. So next on, put the setting spray so that the base makeup is set. I know my makeup is not too heavy. Here I've used the Nykaa setting spray. Next up is loose powder. So some people use compact, but I find loose powder more effective, and a lot of people use creamish color loose powder. I like to use the pinkish tone which I got from Just Herbs because it gives that glow, that pink glow, which I absolutely love. Applied it under my eyes also, and then yes, you can see there's a soft glow. Next up is blush. Two colors, I always like to mix the two. प्रोडक्ट को पूरा इस्तेमाल कर लो भाई. तो ये मैंने ब्लश चपेट दिया अपने चीक्स पे जो नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट है. याद रखिए, एप्पल ऑफ चीक्स पे ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट नहीं आना चाहिए. ऑन द हायर पॉइंट्स ऑफ योर फेस नेक्स्ट टू द आईज, इफ यू पुट ब्लश देयर, देन योर फेस लुक्स अ लिटिल लिफ्टेड rather than putting it right next to your nose. A little bit on the nose to give that natural blush look. Next, I'm applying this K Beauty mini eyeshadow palette, which has these neutral tones, which are pretty natural looking, right? So first, the lightest color available to lighten my dark eyelids, and then I'll choose a semi dark color. You see the little brown color, it'll go all over my eyelids except below the eyebrows. लो इसको भी चपेट दिया दोनों आईलिड्स पे। अभी तक तो बहुत नहीं लग रहे हो, अच्छे ही लग रहे हो, राइट? तो पहले लाइट कलर्स लगाते हैं आई शेडो पे, और फिर जो बीच का सेक्शन है ना, आईलिड का एकदम बीच का सेक्शन, वहाँ पे एक हाईलाइटिंग कलर जिसमें थोड़ा स्पार्कल हो यूज करेंगे। सो आई एम गोइंग टू गो विद दिस गोल्डनिश ब्राउन शेड विद अ लॉट ऑफ स्पार्कल राइट इन द मिडल ऑफ द eyelid, so that it just brings out the eyes beautifully. You don't have to put it all over the eyelids. Remember to keep that section right below your eyebrow empty. That should be creamy neutral tone, skin toned only. Don't apply eyeshadow there. Otherwise you'll look very comic. अब डार्क कलर चूज करेंगे और उसको आउटर पॉइंट्स ऑफ द आईलिड पे लगाएंगे, और इसके लिए फिंगर्स यूज ना करके मैंने बुद्धिमता यूज की, ब्रश यूज किया, नहीं तो आप लोग बोलोगे चुड़ैल लग रही हो। फिर बस और क्या, उसको ब्लेंड करना है अच्छे से एक दूसरे ब्रश को लेके। सेम ब्रश से ब्लेंड मत करना, टेक अनदर स्मॉलर ब्रश एंड ब्लेंड इट। फिर जो भी आई शेडो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर फैल गया है बिलो द आईब्रोज, आई एम गोइंग टू करेक्ट इट बाय यूजिंग अ लाइटर कलर राइट बिलो द आईब्रोज. दिस विल एक्चुअली हाईलाइट द आईज बेटर एंड इट विल गिव अ क्लीनर लुक. हाँ बस कर यार, कितना ब्लेंड करेगी. अच्छी लग रही है स्टाइल, मत मार, काम पे लग. तो अब हम लगाएंगे लाइनर. दिस इज फ्रॉम शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स. I usually like these felt liners instead of using any bottle because it just makes the work a little easy. I'm not the greatest at putting eyeliners, but I'm okay. Up under the eyes, below your lower eyelash, you put a little bit of darker color which you have applied over your eyelid also, and then gently smudge it. That'll bring the eyes out beautifully. Next I'm doing the lips. So first I'll apply the loose powder over my lips so that the lipstick stays longer. ये हंस क्यों रही है, पागल तो नहीं हो गई? तो मेरा ड्रेस पिंक है, इसलिए मैं एक पिंक लिपस्टिक चूज करने वाली हूँ. This lipstick is from Ruby's Organics, the lip creme range. तो always apply a lip liner before the lipstick so that your lipstick lasts longer and looks clean. So here I'm using the High Impact Lip Liner by K Beauty. Now I'm using the pink lip creme called Rosa by Ruby's Organics. And this is the shade Petal by Maybelline. It's a lip gloss. So I usually like to use 2-3 lip shades and mix them on my lips. I'm using the Caramel Pudding by Lip Glaze under Nykaa. Again using my fingers to blend. और क्योंकि मैं गुजराती हूँ तो कुछ भी वेस्ट नहीं जाने देती हूँ. जो भी हैंड्स पे बच गया है उसे चीक्स पे लगा लेती हूँ, आउटसाइड्स ऑफ माय आईलिड्स. वेस्ट ना करना. अब आईज को और पॉप अप करने के लिए व्हाइट आई पेंसिल ऑन द टाइट लाइन अंडर द आईज. अब ढूंढ रही हूँ मैं कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट, जो मेरे हिसाब से मेकअप का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सामान है, और वो है एक आईब्राउ पेंसिल. ये पेंसिल तो नहीं है, इट्स एक्चुअली एन आईब्राउ जेल बाय रूबीज ऑर्गेनिक्स अगेन. इट्स इन द शेड ब्राउन. आई फील लाइक इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू पुट लिपस्टिक, just lipstick, another thing that you can add to your makeup saman is an eyebrow gel because it really brings out the eyes beautifully. So you put only a little bit on the eyebrows, otherwise it'll look too fake. So put the product a little bit and then with a spoolie you just brush it in. मेरे क्लमजी हाथों ने गलती कर ही दी, आईब्राउ के जेल को यहाँ चिपका दिया, पर उसे करेक्ट भी कर लिया, नहीं तो आप लोग बोलते थे चुड़ैल लग रही है. Next up is the mascara, and obviously it has to be Maybelline because they are the best in mascara range. This is the Sky High mascara that I'm using. The famous Aditya Madiraju from the US, a makeup artist, says that the M in makeup actually stands for mascara, and he's actually right because the eye makeup is so freaking important that because people look at your eyes first, right? That's the first thing they notice. So that needs to be perfect, and your eyelashes need that length. So what I'm doing here is taking my spoolie and removing the excess product from the lashes. Otherwise, the lashes look clumped. Next, I'll use an eyelash curler. People really underestimate the importance of the eyelash curler. It really brings out the lashes beautifully. And a pro tip is actually to heat the eyelash curler a bit with maybe the hairdryer and then use it so that the lashes stay that way for a longer time. Oof, मैं तो थक गई. You see my eyes now? See the lashes? Bad, Aditi, not bad at all. And now the quintessential Karan Johar pouch. Final product, the highlighter, which is a strobe cream or a highlighter from Arga Tray Glow Cream. And then you can also apply it actually on the jawline to highlight your jawline and make it look more visible. But we've come to the end of the makeup session, but what we need to apply is the setting spray, the Nykaa Matte to Last setting spray all over so that the makeup remains this way the entire day. Come on, let's get ready now. Abracadabra. And this is my lovely little dress that I got from Veromoda. And this is a little Swarovski necklace that I had got from somewhere in Europe. I think it looks nice. Now the hair. So usually I first put some hair serum. It can be any hair serum so that the hair stays put in place and doesn't look frizzy. And then the heat protecting spray from Streaks because I'll be using a hair straightener. Now I'm just being too quick with this hair straightener because I don't have time left. But you usually need to give it a little more time to brush your hair and straighten them out part by part. If you guys want, I'll put the link in description below. And we are ready. I think I look pretty, don't I? Ta-da!